Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to use the type underscore name inbuilt function in SQL Server 2022. So this is the version of SQL Server 2022 I am using. So here you can see first query select type name. I'm passing 36 as parameter as type 36 comma type underscore name, passing 239 as a value as type 239. So this example will return you the type ID for the data type with the ID 1. Okay. See here for type 36 means it's a unique identifier. Type 239 means it's a nchar. Okay. Let me try to change the type ID. Okay. Now execute the query once again. So I am passing 34 and 33 as a parameter. Let me execute the query once again. So 34 is a image data type. Type 33 there is no type ID like that. Similarly, you can try multiple of types. So you can check the types using this query. Select star from sys.types. So this will give you all the data types with the type ID. Let me execute this query. See here, you can see system type ID, user type ID. Okay. So this user type ID only we giving as a parameter to type underscore name function. Okay. For example, float. If you take float means its user underscore type underscore ID is 62. So if we give 62 as a parameter to type underscore name function means it will display as a float. So what is the usage of this type underscore name function is you can get the data type of a particular field using this type underscore name function. See here, type 62 it's printing as a float. Okay. Now coming to this query, so I am using people database now. See here, this in this query I am passing type underscore name where it's getting user underscore type underscore ID dynamically, which means that it prints all the data type name of the table called person. Okay, let me open the person table design. Okay, so here you can see that varchar and tiny int are the data types used by name and age columns respectively. So those things are printed here using this type underscore name function. So make use of the type underscore name inbuilt function in